Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Shraddha's Physics. This video is based on statistical mechanics for the core 14. We will see some problems on Fermi energy. The first one is the Fermi energy of conduction electrons in silver is 5.48 eV. Calculate the number of such electrons per centimeter cube. This is number of electrons per centimeter cube. Here the Planck's constant is given in arc second and 1 electron volt equal to this much you know. So the Fermi energy EF equal to this is h square by 2m into 3n by 8 pi v whole power 2 by 3. Here it has been asked that what is the number of such electrons per centimeter cube. So this is the number of electrons per centimeter cube. Then you have to calculate this n by v. So here is the power 2 by 3 multiplying 3 by 2 on the left hand side and right hand side. This will be EF power 3 by 2 equal to, this is 2 into 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, this is h cube by 2m power 3 by 2 into, this will be into 3 by 2 means this power goes to 1. Clear? Now this n by v will be equal to this 2m power 3 by 2 into EF power 3 by 2 into this 8 pi divided by 3 into h cube. Clear? It means that taking n by v on the left hand side and taking all other terms to the right hand side, we will get this much. Now putting all these values here, that is the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 28, that is in CGS unit, whole power 3 by 2 into this EF is given 5.48 eV. So 1 eV equal to 1.62 into 10 raised power minus 12 or. So putting this and whole power, this is your 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2, this is again here into, this is into 8 pi, this 8 pi is here, this will becomes divided by, this is your 3 into h cube 6.62 into 10 power minus 27 power 3, that will be equal to this much. So this is the very simple question. Here only it has been asked that what is the number of electrons per centimeter cube. Everything is given here. So you have to calculate what is the value of n by v. Clear? Now see, the second question is the Fermi energy of silver at 0 Kelvin is, this is 5.5 eV, and it has been asked what is the average energy per electron in silver. And the second one is average speed of the electron. The first of all, the average energy, we have already calculated that this is E naught bar will be equal to 3 by 5 EF. This average energy equal to the energy per electron. So this is actually the energy per electron. We can say that this is energy per electron, or this is as your average energy. Clear? This is average energy, or this is your energy per electron, or this is energy per electron. Okay. So this will be equal to 3 by 5 into the value of EF is given 5.5 eV. This is into 5.5. By cancelling this 5.5 divided 5 will be 1.1 into this 3, that is 3.3 electron volt. And by multiplying 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, this will be converted to in joule. So this is equal to 5.28 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So this is the average energy, or we can say that this is the energy per electron. Next one is the average speed of the electron. So the average speed means the energy equal to half mv square. If this is the average energy, then this will be equal to half mv square average. Okay. Now this v square average will be, this is 2 E bar divided by m. Clear? Now this V average will be equal to the root over of this much. So just simply putting this 2 E bar divided by m root over will be equal to, this is, we have already calculated, this is average energy equal to this much. So 2 into 5.28 into 10 power minus 19 divided by m is your, the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So this is whole root over. So after calculating, you will get this. Clear? So this is the very simple problem.